What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to add cards to your video. So to do that, in the top right you will see your YouTube icon. Click on it and scroll down, you will see here YouTube Studio. Click on it. In the next screen you will see in the left side you will see videos. Click on videos, and here you will see videos that you uploaded to your YouTube channel. You can select any video. For example, I will add cards to this specific video. I will click on this video right now and scroll down. You will see cards. Click on cards, and here you can see, here you will see an option called add card. All you have to do is click on it, and here you will see promote a video or playlist, or promote another channel. If you want to promote another channel, all you have to do is click on create here. And if you want to add a video, or if you want to promote a video, click on create here. And here you will see videos that you uploaded to your YouTube channel. So for example, I will add this video, and all you have to do is click on a create card. Here you can decide where you want your viewers to watch this video. For example, I want my viewers to watch this video after they watch 1 minute of the video. After your viewers watch 1 minute of your video, it will pop up this icon here, and when your viewers click on this, they will see videos that you added to your card. So that's how you can do that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like.